Wanna know how to create a notebook on your Evernote account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Notebooks below all notes. Tap on this plus icon with this book attached to it next to this magnifying glass icon on the top right. Here you have an option of keeping the name of your very new notebook. I am randomly going to keep one of the name, and if you want to make it offline, you can tap on this sliding icon next to make available offline. You can see that upgrade for offline use. You need to upgrade your own account for making it offline. Since we do not have an option, I'm going to tap on OK option. Just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully created one of the notebook. Now, if you want to add any of the new note, you can tap on this new note on the bottom with this green background. You can add reminder, record audio, add attachments, start sketching, take photo, and even the blank note. I'll show you one of the example by adding attachment. I'm going to tap on add attachment and choose one of the pictures or attachment from my gallery. You can also do the same and choose one of the picture. Now I have an option of writing or choosing something about this template or something about this attachment. If you're okay with this picture, you can tap on the stick option on the top left. Now tap on this note title option just above Alexa's vision board. Here you have an option of changing the note for it. I'm going to keep it something attractive and then keep some of the emojis to make it attractive. So when you're done, you can tap on this tick icon on the top left corner. Just by doing it, your note is being saved to your own notebook. When you're done, you can get back and see that yes, your note has been successfully saved to your own notebook. So this is how you do it. This is how you create a notebook and even create a new note. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.